Alright, so yeah, I'm going to introduce you to the Meet Retouch pack, where we're going to be using actions and plugins. So we have all these plugins. We have NBC plugins. Let me quickly go to where the Meet Retouch pack is. So under the Meet Retouch pack, quickly Meet Retouch pack. Yep. So we have the first pack, which has studio backgrounds, actions. Let's make it bigger and bigger. Okay. We have studio background. We have a lot of studio background. We have actions. So I'm just going to point out, we have gradients, we have overlays, and we have snoots. This studio background is the same thing as this one, so I just actually turned it into a raw file. And we have plugins. Let's open up the plugins and see the plugins that we have. So under the plugins, I'm going to close this. We have the ultimate retouch panel, the retouch for me, magnifier, all the retouch for me, and RA beauty retouch panel 3.3. we also have, okay, I guess it's trying to open itself. Let's open it up again. Okay, so this time let's take it downwards. We have the Moa retouch, Magic retouch, Infiniti retouch, Portraiture, complete skin retouching, and beauty for, this is called Retouching Academy. So that is beauty for Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so we also have the Venus retouch. The Venus retouch, that will be in the mega pack, so the new mega bundle. So here we have the Venus retouch panel. Okay, so let me quickly finish the build, the pack one. So the pack one, we have gradient, we have actions. So let's open up the actions. We have a lot of actions. You can see Photoshop action bundles and 50 air. So all those color grading actions are actually here. The Meet Retouch stylization action, the photo, I'm going to show you how to use all these. Skin treatment actions is also there. We have a lot of actions though, so let's go back. I'm going to close this one. Overlays, so the overlays is there as well. Open up the overlay. We have light fair pack, the flares, the action files for it. So all this, you need to open it up. Look at a lot of light fair. I'm going to show you how to use all of that. Our gradient as well, our snoots, and our plugins. Okay, so let's go back. Now I'm going to show you the mega bundle. The mega bundle, we have the color grading tutorial. This will teach you everything about color grading tutorial. Okay, both the detailed explanation of the one I was doing, so you grab the whole knowledge of color grading. And the Venus retouch, we have the Venus overlay and brushes. So here we also have different overlay. We have the smoke, we have the bokeh effect. Okay, so quickly let's make it smaller. I'm going to close this one. So our smoke, let's open it up, and we have different smoke effect. Okay, go back. We have the bokeh actions. We have the bokeh pictures, a lot of bokeh pictures there, and snow effect and special effect. We also have the brush, which is for the brush, airbrush, and the snow brush. So these are the brushes the pro use in the plugins to actually work on hair. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to show you all of that. We have the Kobe Lightroom Preset, cinematic preset, 80 lots for color grading pack. So all this is what you can. We have the wedding cube. This has more than enough color grading pack for it. Okay, so also we have this one, the color lookup preset for Lightroom. You can see we have a lot, very many. It's our what's it called, the color grading lot now, and it works on both your for video, and you can see we have each one has three: the MGA, the look, the cube, the 3DL. So you can use this one for film, you can use this one for Lightroom, and as you know, as a preset. Also we still have this 1000 plus camera raw preset, and it's created by Azura Creation, so it's you can use them different color grading pack. So if you want to get the mega bundle, you can let me know and go through it. I believe it's very useful, and you can actually exhaust it. I've been using it for a long time now. So that's what's in the mega bundle. A lot. I didn't even open up the rest, but I know it's going to serve you all you want. So we're going to be using it in the next class as well. So for example, the infinite color panel is actually there. This is very good for your color grading. So it's actually loading right now, and also I'm going to show you one of the plugins you're going to come across. Let's close that, and that plugin will be under filter, the accelerated vision. So these two plugin, Emotions 2 and Lot 2. Let me quickly talk about this plugin. I'm going to open up the Lot 2 Professional, and this is a very powerful plugin. Why? Because it's do the color grading for you. It's an AI color grading AI color grading plugin, and all you just need to do is to select and tell it the emotion you want. If you want a strong emotion, if you want a light emotion, if you want a happy feeling from your color, it's going to do that immediately. So I'm waiting for it to load up, and I'm just going to show you the interface and probably talk about it later, so you can reach out. And then taking a while to load. I believe a lot of things is working on the background, so let's leave it till it's finished loading. It's a very powerful tool, like I said. Come on. If it fails to load, let's just wait a little bit more to get it to load. Okay, so it's actually loading now. Okay, so now here it is. Now this is the Lot 2 Professional, and we have different type of mood. Original, this is the original, this is brilliant, this is very vibrant, this is intense, this is bright and details. So just keep selecting the one you want. So you see it's working on the image for you. This is very bright, and you can see the details it's even giving to the image. Just take a look at the before and after right here. You can see how it's working on the image. Very awesome plugin. Let's go ahead. Bright and colorful, although this is going to give you a very brownish color, and it's just a way of color grading for you automatically. This is a kind of warm color grading, and it has a lot of adjustment, and believe me, you will actually need this plugin. I use it a lot, and you can create a lot of style. You can see very cool, so compressed and the rest of, so, and you're gonna actually know how to use it. So because when you want to use this, you need to know more about color grading. So that's why I created that color grading pack for you. So let's go back and experience what we continue where we were. So we have the Venus Retouch. Okay, still loading. Sorry, we have the Retouch Academy, which is the beauty retouch, and it's in the mid retouch pack. Just quickly, the Retouch Academic, all what we have been doing, frequency separation, Gaussian blur, all those things are inside. The Venus Retouch as well has its own, which is more useful than the Retouch Academy, and also the Ultimate Retouch, which is the best, one of the best as well. So we have the skin tones, we have the makeup, and all of this. I believe I've taught that, so I'm going to show you how to use all of these, and you can actually get the plugins. Okay, so the Ultimate Retouch as well has a lot of functions, and I've talked about it. I believe I'm going to share it to the group so you can get it. So all right, so that's just that. So like I said, our Meet Retouch pack it's ready, and a lot is inside of the pack. So just to show you as a recap what we have: desktop, Meet Retouch. Yep. So like I said, we have it, the Meet Retouch bundle pack, where we have the Venus, the all this Lightroom preset, okay, that you can get free light and dark skin melanin lots. So this you need this, truly you need this, and one of it can give you a lot of lots inside of it. So I'm going to go back again and go to the pack 1, and all of these actions, Photoshop actions, and the gradient and the skin tone pack. You can see a lot of Photoshop actions, screen treatment actions. All right, so thank you. We're going to be using it in the next classes. You can reach out and get yours.